How to use dish knob. Dish knob replaces the existing knobs on the gas stove. Gently pull out your original stove knob. Select a connector for your gas stove, paying attention to the D port. Insert the connector on the stove D post. Turn on dish knob. Install dish knob and make sure the screen interface arrow points to the off fire position. You will be prompted to confirm the direction of the flame off to tap on push. Wait for 5 seconds until the device finishes the auto calibration. Dish knob has 2 modes, auto mode and timer mode. When you start cooking on the gas range and turn the dish knob, it automatically enters auto mode and starts a countdown timer. Any change in the knob direction will reset the timer. To change the default time of dish knob, tap 10 seconds on the screen, and then you can configure the default timer for the auto mode. Upon changing the time with the plus and minus indicators, you will automatically enter timer mode, where you can manually customize the timer. This timer will keep counting without reset even if you change the fire strength. Thank you for purchasing Dishknob.